So here we have the Hyundai Tucson on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a reversing camera. Plenty of boot space, as you can see, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. So we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now.
Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. We have the speedometer and fuel gauge on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the total miles of this car, first of all. They are 66,200. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and there are other menus available as well. And you can see me cycling through those now. In the top left-hand corner of that screen, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we're in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using a second ago to change that information are just here. We have cruise control and speed limiter over that side as well. On the left-hand side, stereo and phone controls, including voice activation for the phone. You can only use the phone controls once you pair the phone up to the car, which is done just here. We are going to cancel that for now, of course, but you can add a phone from there should you wish to. When it comes to music, we've got the radio, DAB, FM and AM radio, as you can see. If you want to listen to your own music, you'd hit the media tab there. It's greyed out because nothing is connected. You can connect up an auxiliary device, a USB device. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. If the USB device that you connect up is your smartphone, then you can see we've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available, depending, of course, upon the phone that you have. This car's also got satellite navigation. It's a really nice, clear colour display. Very, very easy system to use, and you can see that you can have it here along with other information, or if you wish to, you can open it out wide so that it covers the whole screen. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you can also see the full colour reversing camera as well. Working our way down, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain those temperatures by taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air, which you can hear it doing. You can see it's done it as well. If I make any manual adjustment to either fans or the direction of the air, auto has now gone off, and it'll allow you to put it back on your own settings there as well. Beneath that, we have two 12-volt charging sockets, the auxiliary and USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then these buttons just here. So you can turn the parking sensors on and off. This button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows, and you can change the driving mode of the car. So you're able to put it into sport, and it will show you on here, and then normal, and sport, as you can see, and then back to normal again.
All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.